guys, dear friends, let's start our lesson with chapter 6, a tour of cell. Okay. The fundamental units of life. All organisms are made of cells. The cell is the simplest collection of matter that can live. Cell structure is correlated to cell function. All cells are related by their descent from early cell. This is the structure of cell. As you see here, we can show you a picture of cell here. Animal cell and plant cell and eukaryotic, prokaryotic. This is eukaryotic cell, for example, and this is prokaryotic cell. What's the difference? Prokaryotic cells, they do not have a nucleus. They have just DNA without nuclear membrane, and they have cell membrane as eukaryotic cell. But eukaryotic cell have bigger. They have a nucleus in the center and cell membrane and cytoplasm, but it's bigger and have more organelles than prokaryotic cell. This is animal cell, this is plant cell. Each of them have a nucleus inside. The big difference is also prokaryotic cell is very small, between 1 and 5 micrometers. The cell is very small. Here, some cell can be more smaller, some can be bigger or longer. For example, this is a bacterial chromosome. If it has one chromosome, or we call nucleoid here, the DNA molecules. This is a cell membrane here, this plasma membrane, cell membrane, this one, and we have here outside of the plasma membrane we have cell wall. Some of them can be covered by capsule, but here in eukaryotic cell it's bigger. It can be 80 or 100 micrometers, 10 times smaller than 1 millimeter, and it has a nucleus and many organelles here inside the plasma. Plasma membrane and animal cell don't have a cell wall because all animals move very fast and they do not need any cell wall. This one, plant cells, they have a plasma membrane and they have cell wall covering the cell membrane. Because plants are not moving, they are moving very slowly. They are not like animals, and they are, most of them, photosynthetic. They have a chloroplast here. The big difference is okay. One of the important parts of the eukaryotic cells are the nucleus here. The nucleus. They have a nucleolus here in the center of the nucleus, and this all the chromatin. Chromatin is a chromosome, but it's a very long chromosome. Before dividing, when the cell is very active, when it starts to prepare for dividing, chromatin becomes chromosome. It's a nuclear pore. They produce here mRNA, messenger RNA. This is a rough ER and the plasma reticulum transporter system of cells. They have if they have a small ribosomes, organelle, it will be rough. If there is no small points ribosomes, it will be smooth ER. Okay, here these small particles here, small dots, it's a ribosome. This one, ribosome function producing proteins. Then we have cytoplasm. It's also very important. This is cytoplasm here. All the liquid except the cell membrane inside of the cell, it we call cytoplasm. And one of the important part of the cell is the plasma membrane covering the cell. It's very important because it controls what goes in and goes out of the cell. Okay, for today that's all. Thank you very much. See you next lesson.